If your muscles tend to be really tight, then this class is for you. We're going to do simple stretches and the main focus will be the hip and a little bit of the hamstrings. So let's get started. We're going to begin in a seated position and place the right foot in front of the left. As you inhale, roll your shoulders up and back. This doesn't have to look perfect, so make this your movement and try to relax as much as you can. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, relax. Again. Now let's do a side stretch. So left arm reaches over your head. Make sure that your tailbone is not lifting off the floor. Keep it grounded onto the mat, and we're gonna hold here for a moment. Now sweep the arms over to the left. Try to open the chest, and we're gonna hold here for a second. Now let's go back to the right and continue like this. Last time. Place the left hand on the right knee and the right arm reaches up and over your head. Now release, go back to center, and this time the left foot goes in front of the right. Let's switch sides, and this time the left arm reaches up and overhead. Place the sole of your feet together for a seated butterfly. And we're gonna do a seated cat and cow. So grab onto your ankles, and as you exhale, round the spine. With an inhale, open the chest. And then as you exhale, round the spine. Now place your hands behind, and I'm gonna turn sideways just to show you. So place your hands behind, inhale, lengthen the spine, and as you exhale, fold forward. So make sure you're not rounding the spine, and you have the option to keep your hands behind you, or you can have them in front of you. Whatever feels most comfortable for you, then that's perfectly fine. And we're gonna stay here for a few breaths. Make sure you're feeling the stretch in the inner thighs, in the groin area. Now from here, open your legs in a 90-degree angle, and we're gonna turn to the right. Square your shoulders, and if the front knee is lifting off the floor, then you can place a pillow or a blanket under your knee. So place your hands beside you, and as you inhale, lengthen the spine, and with that exhale, fold forward. So you can stay here if you want, or you can come down to your forearms. It is up to you. Now come up, and we're gonna go over to the left. So again, inhale, lengthen the spine, and as you exhale, fold forward. Bring your torso up and bring your legs together and roll onto your back. Push the right knee into your chest and use your hands to push it in even tightly. Now release. Again, push it in. Release. Push it in. And from here, interlace your fingers behind your thigh, flex the foot, and with an inhale, extend the leg. Exhale, bend the knee, and inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Inhale, extend. Now, as you extend the leg, now place the right ankle on top of the left thigh and interlace your fingers behind the left thigh. With an exhale, push the legs towards your chest. Make sure that you're feeling the stretch in this area. Now release and let's switch sides. So this time, bring the left knee into your chest and then use your hands to push it in and then release. Push it in and release. Interlace your fingers behind your thigh and flex the foot. With an inhale, extend the leg and then exhale, bend. Inhale, extend, then exhale, bend. Now, place the left ankle on top of the right thigh and interlace your fingers behind the right thigh. Exhale, push the legs to your chest. Now release the legs, and this time push the right knee into your chest, but then grab onto your chin and open the leg to the side. Bring it in and then open. In and open. Make sure that the left tailbone is not lifting off the floor. Last time, open and then close. Now flex the foot, grab onto your ankle and open the leg. Now release and let's switch sides. Push the left knee into your chest, grab onto the shin, and now open the leg to the side and then close. This time, flex the foot, grab onto the ankle and open the leg. Release, and this time, grab both feet. You can either from the inside or the outside. And then we're gonna come into a happy baby pose. If this is too much, then you can grab onto your ankles or onto the shins. It is up to you. Whatever you choose is perfectly fine, and then make sure that your tailbone is grounded onto the floor. If you want, you can rock from side to side. This pose actually helps with the inner thighs, hamstrings, and the lower back. So it has a lot of benefits, and it targets a few areas of the body. Bring your legs together and give them a nice hug. And from here, extend the left leg and then push the right knee over to the left side. Come to center, and then this time extend the right leg and the left knee goes over to the right side. Place the left hand beside the right shoulder and use it to push the torso up. Meet me in a seated position. And take an inhale, lift the arms up. Extend as much as you can. And as you exhale, relax. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought of these stretches, or if you have any requests. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and follow for more.